Hello, second graders. This week in science, we're going to be talking about animal dependency. What in the world does that mean? What do you think it means? A baby is dependent on grown-ups to meet all its needs. Someone must give the baby food and water. Someone must put clothes on the baby and provide a home. The baby is completely dependent on others to provide its basic needs. Remember, we talked about the basic needs of water, shelter, food, and, you guessed it, air to breathe. The baby needs someone else to provide its food, water, and shelter. Now let's look at some animals that are dependent on plants to meet their basic needs. And guys, I want you to pay attention because some of these might be questions that I ask on the Google form. What do animals like bison and antelope eat? What are they eating? That's right, they depend on the grass for food. What do animals like giraffes eat? What is it reaching for? Animals such as bison, antelope, and giraffes eat dun, 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 blades of grass, leaves from shrubs or trees. All right, how about these birds? How do they depend on plants? One of the birds is eating berries found on a plant. The other seeds from a flower. How are the hummingbird and the butterfly dependent on plants? Both the hummingbird and butterfly drink nectar that is found in some flowers. What about an animal's need for air or oxygen? If you know anything about plants, then you know that they give off air or oxygen when they make food from sunlight, and animals breathe that oxygen in. Describe the dependency that you see in this picture. I noticed some eggs and a nice and cozy nest. What's the dependency? Well, a bird built a nest in the tree. The tree provides shelter for the bird and for those eggs. Describe the dependency that you see in this picture. The mother deer hides her fawn in the grass to protect it. How is this bird dependent on the cactus to meet its basic needs? Some birds use holes in cacti or trees for their homes. Notice that word cacti. More than one is cacti, not cactuses. Little tip there for you. How is the possum dependent on the tree to meet its basic needs? Small animals like possums live in hollow trees. So the trees provide shelter for the possums. Something to think about. How can plants help animals meet their basic needs? We saw examples of shelter, food, oxygen. Plants provide food in the form of seeds, berries, grass, and leaves. Plants provide shelter. Plants provide oxygen. Woohoo! Give yourself a high five. All right. In the next episode, we will discuss how animals depend on maybe other animals. Hope you learned something new, second graders. Take care.